Hygiena's SystemSure Plus is a rapid cleaning verification system made up of 3 components: the SystemSure Plus luminometer, ATP cleaning verification tests, and SureTrend software. These components make the ATP cleaning verification system a necessary and valuable tool that contributes to a complete and comprehensive infection prevention and environmental services program. Let's take a closer look at the 3 components. The SystemSure Plus is designed for convenient one-handed operation and is easy to navigate with minimal training. Inside the system is an advanced solid-state sensor that is robust, stays in calibration, and does not require yearly maintenance. Customize your SystemSure Plus by programming departments, rooms, high touchpoint locations, and users responsible for cleaning, such as EVS personnel, directly onto your system. All Hygiena test devices are designed to be easy and ready to use right out of the box. Efficient design and robust chemistry enable long shelf life and room temperature storage of the low-cost devices. With ATP cleaning verification tests for surface and water samples, the system is adaptable for a variety of applications in multiple departments, such as infection prevention, environmental services, sterile services, endoscopy, and dental departments. SureTrend software provides invaluable access to preset and customizable reports, sends automated emails with your favorite reports directly to your inbox, and consolidates data from multiple departments or facilities so you can easily analyze trends and identify problem areas. SureTrend also makes it easy to monitor cleaning programs, engage team members with valuable feedback, and improve cleaning processes. In fact, studies show that implementing a monitoring system to validate cleanliness can increase cleaning compliance by 42%. The SystemSure Plus, ATP cleaning verification tests, and SureTrend data analysis software promote team collaboration towards a cleaner facility, minimizing the risk of environmentally transmissible infections.